Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hello, I'm Judy, and this is John. You are listening to J&J English Cafe.
So, grab a cup of coffee and join us for a chat.
Today, we're going to spend a few minutes learning something useful together.
I'm ready. Let's get started. Hey Judy, I have a question for you today. It is about a green fruit. I see it everywhere in the supermarket, but I do not know how to eat it.
Hi, John. Let me guess. Is it green, creamy, and shaped like a pear?
Yes, that is right. It is the avocado. Everyone says it is very healthy, but it looks strange to me. How do we eat it?
Oh, avocados are wonderful. They are very rich and healthy. You can use them in many ways. But first, you need to know how to choose a good one.
Oh, really? They all look the same to me. Some are green, and some are dark. Which one is ready to eat?
Well, the color is the key. When an avocado is bright green, it is not ripe. It is hard like an apple. You need to wait.
Okay, so green means wait. What about the dark ones?
When the skin turns dark green or almost black, it is ready. You can press it very gently with your thumb. If it feels a little soft, it is perfect.
A little soft. Got it. What if it is very soft?
If it is too soft, it is probably old and brown inside. You do not want that one.
So, now I have a perfect avocado. How do I open it? There is a huge seed inside, right?
Yes, there is. You just take a knife and cut it in half around the seed. Twist the two halves, and they will come apart. Then you can use a spoon to take out the seed and the fruit. It is very easy.
That sounds simple enough. But what does it taste like? Does it taste like a banana or an apple?
No, not at all. It is not sweet. It has a very mild and buttery taste. Some people say it tastes like nuts. Because it is creamy, it is great for spreading.
Like butter? So can I put it on my toast?
Exactly. Avocado toast is very famous. You just mash the avocado with a fork, spread it on warm toast, and add a little salt and pepper. It is a fantastic breakfast.
Wow, that sounds delicious and very quick for a busy morning. Can I put it in other things?
Yes, you can put slices of avocado in your salad or sandwich. It makes everything taste richer. Many people also blend it with milk or yogurt to make a smooth drink.
An avocado drink? That is interesting. Is it good for weight loss?
Yes, it is. Avocados have good fats. They keep you full for a long time, so you do not feel hungry easily.
Perfect. I want to try that. But what if I only eat half of it? How do I keep the other half fresh?
That is a common problem. The inside turns brown quickly when it touches the air. You should leave the seed in the other half, squeeze some lemon juice on it, and wrap it tightly.
Lemon juice. Okay. That stops it from turning brown?
Yes, the lemon juice keeps it green and fresh until the next day.
Wait, what do I do with the seed from the first half? Do I just throw it away?
Oh, do not throw it away. You can actually grow a beautiful houseplant from that seed.
Wow, really? From that big round seed? How do you do that?
Yes, you just clean the seed, put some toothpicks into it, and balance it over a glass of water. The bottom of the seed needs to touch the water.
That sounds like a fun science project. Does it take a long time to grow?
Well, it takes a few weeks to see the roots and a small green stem. After that, you can plant it in a small pot with soil. It becomes a lovely green plant for your room.
That is amazing. You get healthy food and a free houseplant at the same time.
Yes, it is a great bonus.
Thank you, Judy. I feel like an avocado expert now. I am going to buy some today after work.
Have fun with your avocados, John. See you next time.
See you. Wow, that was a very interesting topic, Judy. I hope our listeners enjoyed it too.
I hope so. If you like the vibes here at our cafe, please subscribe and give us a 5-star review.
Also, don't forget to check the show notes for the vocabulary list and today's key phrases.
Thanks for stopping by J&J English Cafe. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.